I think also you had mentioned as well, probably convincing some of these smaller carriers and folks to try it. I remember when my previous company, we were doing optimization for routes, AI-driven planning. And you talk to carriers, smaller mom and pops, like, can we test this? We'll pay you, please, And no, I can pick the loads better. I don't want to do this. And so I feel like as well, one of the challenges with a TMS is that you're making this platform, you've got this opportunity, but some of the challenges, some of these folks get so used to using the Excel spreadsheet from the 80s that it's almost a challenge giving them that 10X and saying, hey, please give this a shot. You will thank me later.
Oh, yeah, you are not kidding. There is a huge hurdle. I understand it is annoying and frustrating to learn a whole new operating system, right? It takes time. But that's why, for one thing, we've been there. We understand what it's like to start a new operating system. And we have absolutely free setup, absolutely free training, like 24-hour support with actual humans who have been there and done that. Like our customer success team, right? They were dispatchers. They were in accounting before. They all understand inherently where you're coming from. And we've got a digital help center. They can watch tutorials. We set them up. If their fleet is big enough, we're going to come in-house for free and train everybody. And I mean, you're talking about maybe a week of an investment in learning. And then you can switch over and then you will start to see the benefits right away. You will start to see the time savings right away. But you're absolutely right. You have to decide that you want to grow. You have to have had enough of those errors and issues come up, enough people like accidentally deleting things on the Excel spreadsheet. Once that happens enough, you're like, we need to do this differently. We need to do this better. It's worth taking a week or a few weeks to really learn how to do this better. But a month from now, 2 months from now, a year from now, it's going to pay off, tenfold.